Hey guys, just wanted to show you this pressure washer we're working on today. It's a Honda engine, 11 horsepower GX 340, and this one, the pump is self-destructed. It's got metal filings boiling out of the oil cap, as you can see, and there's water in the oil, what's left of it. It's very milky. So on these particular machines, you have to undo, we've already taken out 1, 2, and 3. So you have to undo these 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the pump just slides off the PTO shaft. There's a key, and then here's our new pump, basically the same thing if you look at them. And the only thing you gotta make sure when you put the new pump is that this keyway here lines up with the keyway on the PTO shaft underneath here. And then you can see there's a hole in the case to turn in the set screw. And the set screw pinches the keyway. Then you put in your 4 bolts, tighten them evenly, and you're back in business. Thanks for watching.